Hello students, welcome back to our YouTube video channel. Okay, at first, before to start our topic, I want to request you please subscribe our channel and share, like and comments, and give your comment in our comment section which topic you want to read in next video. Okay, let's start. Our topic is today adjective. Adjective in Hindi it is called विशेषण. Okay, let's find what is an adjective. What should be the definition of an adjective according to its nature. Okay, let's see. An adjective is a word which is used to qualify a noun or pronoun. A noun or pronoun. Okay, let's see some example. She is a beautiful woman. He has a big house. He has a big house. Ajay is a charming boy. Ajay is a charming boy. Okay. He is rich. You can see in the above examples beautiful, big, charming, rich. These all words is qualifying something. Okay, beautiful is qualifying a woman, big is qualifying a house, charming is qualifying a boy, and rich is qualifying to a subject he. Okay, let's see what is the use of adjectives. Okay, after that we will learn how many parts of adjective. Let me erase it. Use of adjective. Adjective. Okay, number first use. There are two way to use an adjective in a sentence. Number first, attributive use. Attributive use. Now the next question will arise. What is the use of adjective in an attributive way? Okay, so we can say when an adjective is used before noun. before noun or pronoun. When an adjective is used before a noun or pronoun, called attributive use. Called attributive use. Okay. For example, I have a red pen. I have a red pen. He wears blue shirt. In the both example, you can see what is an adjective, red and blue. It is qualifying the color of pen and shirt. But you can see here pen is a noun and the shirt is a noun. And you can see very well also that here the adjective is being used before a noun. Here red is an adjective, but it is being used before a noun, which is pen. And here the blue is being used in the sentence before a noun, which is shirt. So when an adjective is used before noun or pronoun, you can say that adjective is attributive adjective, means it is used as an attributive way. Okay. Let's see the second way to use an adjective in a sentence. Okay, predicative way. The second use of adjective, predicative. Predicative use. Okay. Predicative, predicative use. We can say when a noun, when an adjective is not used before a noun or pronoun, but it is used in predictive part of a sentence, then it is called an predictive use sentence. Okay, let's see example. She was intelligent. She was intelligent. And the second is Mohit is very industrious. In both sentence there is two adjective. In the first, intelligent, and then the second one is industrious. But it is not used before a noun or pronoun. Okay, it is being used in the predicative part of a sentence. You know very well what is an subject and predicate. Here she is a subject and it is the predicative part. It is a predicative part of the sentence. Okay, same here. Mohit is a subject and as a noun. Is very industrious is a predicative part. Now you can see when an adjective is used in the predicative part of a sentence, then you can say that adjective is used in predicative way, and it is called predicative use of an adjective. Okay, let's learn how many parts of an adjective. Okay, let me at first erase it. Now we will learn how many kind of adjective and what is use of them. Okay, kinds of adjective. Kinds of adjective. Number first, adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. Number second, adjective of quantity. Quantity. Number third, adjective of number. Okay, number four, proper adjective. Number five, demonstrative adjective. Okay, and there are so many parts, but it is the main, these all the main parts of adjective means first, second, third and fourth and fifth. Adjective of quality, quantity, number, proper adjective and adjective. These all the main kinds of adjective. Okay, now in next video we will learn in detail what is the work of each part of these adjective in a sentence and which way it will work in a sentence. Okay, thanks.